Hello guys, welcome to WattWorks Automation and Control channel. Today our topic is mini fridge. So let's start. We use two Peltier modules, the negative and positive. That is upper side is cooled and the lower side is hot. So this is a Peltier module. Then next one is heatsink. Heatsink is important in this project because it dissipates the heat. We produce a lot of heat during the process. So for dissipation purpose, we use a fan. So 12-volt fan we use in this project. Then after that, we use wooden coatings and some accessories like silicones, etc. So guys, after that we use 12-volt batteries, dry battery we use in this project. So after that we use paste for heat conducting media. Um, it- So let's we start our project. First of all, we take our Peltier module and place the paste so that carefully we place the rear side of the module. This side is so hot, produce so heating, so this it must be removed. Then the second one of our Peltier module, again we are doing same process, place conducting paste on it, and after that we place very carefully on our same place. So guys, after that we use silicone. All side we use silicone. Now also range the wire using silicones also. So the next one is we place our fan. This whole part has to be connected with the fan, as you can see guys. And now use silicone. Now guys, almost our mini fridge is ready. Look, now guys, after that we arrange our positive and negative wires, the wires, fan wires, Peltier module wires, and other things. Now guys, we are using our support, the standing support, which is important thing because these supports are so important for our project. Place both of supporting strips with the silicone in particular distance of a fan to the earth. Now guys, our project is almost ready. Okay guys, then our both virtual model red wires and black wires and our fan motor wires arranged in a proper route. So we place in a proper route like this. Okay, connect all positive wires in a one loop. As you see guys, all positive wires are connected in one loop and negative black wire are connected in one loop, as you can see in this video, guys. So in the end, we have two wires only, that is black and red. So guys, it is after simplify the wires, we connect our positive wire to battery positive terminal. Connect it carefully. Connect the wire joint properly, guys, to get proper result. After that, connect our negative wire to negative terminal of the batteries. Now we use to see the behavior of our machine, we use temperature meter, guys. Now our machine is ready, and it takes almost can see, guys, 4.5 ampere in right sides of the screen, guys. And I touch my finger upper side of module. It's too much cold, I feel. So guys, after that, place a metal glass on it. Fill it by water in a shown quantity. Put sensor on it. See the changing temperature of the water. Now guys, our temperature is gradually down, as you see reading on a screen, guys. Note the heating fan plays very important role in this project, guys. The more heat it emits, the cooler it will be at the top of our Peltier module. So guys, our project is almost completed, guys. You see the complete picture, fan, Peltier modules, and other things. Make it at your home. It is very easy and effective for light works. Okay guys, for more technical videos to view, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you.